Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change skin tone on your photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, just tap at that big plus sign to upload a photo here. That opens up your camera roll, and from here you can select any photo. Let it be that one. You can just check mark the photo and then hit on add to move it to the editor mode. On editor, you can first, and I strongly recommend you to use it, that's magic retouch feature. You can select one of these 4 presets. Let me scale it for a bit. So you can tap at any of them, let it be, for example, that one, and you see the result of that changes. As you can see, it applies a lot of different filters to that image. Just look how the face looks now and look at that blurred background. You can tap anytime at reset to see the original photo, and in the same way you can try to use any of that magic retouch filters, and once you find one that you like more, you can move on to the next step, and you can just scroll down among all of that filters, and right here you can find skin tone feature. Here it is, and now you can drag it right or left to change skin tone in that way. Now it makes it more red, and in that way it makes it more green, and now you can drag it right or left to control skin tone at your image. Once you've selected one, you can continue editing your image. Like, for example, if you want to change hair color, you can easily do that just in that simple way, just in one click. And also you may try another different options from here. There are a lot of them, and once you finished with your photo, you can just hit right here at save button to save it to your camera roll. After that you can hop out Lensa and open up photos, and right here at recents you can easily find the photo that we have just edited. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.